mathematician day because of it is the Srinivas Ramanujan birthday. So we are celebrated mathematician day. Srinivas Ramanujan discovered many formulas and he worked on theorism, number theory and nested roots, etc. He had also a special number called 1729. It is the sum of two cubes.
We are presenting a project about odd and even number and prime. When we click the 6, is our even number. My friends are explaining about project.
The numbers that cannot divide into exact group are called odd number. Odd example is 1, 3, 5, 7. The number that can have exact groups is called even number. Examples of even number is example of even number is 4, 7, 14, 28. 7, 6 are 42. Fraction means same denominator are called like fraction. For example, 1/4, 2/4 and 5/4. The fraction with different denominators are called like fraction. For example, 1/4, 2/4 and 3/5. I am proper fraction. And a fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 5/8 and 2/5. I am a proper fraction. Fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 5/2 and 7/6. I am mixed fraction. A fraction has a whole part of a number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. For example, 2 whole 1/2, 3 whole 1/4, 6 whole 3/8 and etc. I am equivalent fraction. The fraction that represent the same part of both is called equivalent fraction. For example, 1/2 and 2/4.
Explain చేస్తావా?
Namaskaram sir, my name is Kirna. I am from 9th standard. Our project name is trigonometry pattern. In this trigonometry means 3, trigonometry. And in this one is Pythagoras theorem. A square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the other two sides is called Pythagoras theorem. A square plus b square is equal to c square. In this middle one is Pythagoras theorem. Thank you sir. Namaskaram sir. This is our project properties of circle. The circle is defined in a set of all points, constant distance, fixed point, and next is center. The fixed point in the circle is known as center, and next is radius. The center to fixed point is known from any point is known as radius, and next is diameter. From a line segment connecting to any 2 points is known as diameter. My friend will continue the next circumference. The total distance of circle is known as circumference. Chord is a line segment with both two endpoints is known as chord. A part of the circle's circumference is known as arc. Next is in this circle has two triangles. These triangles, the bases are equal and same the angles are equal. Chord connects the two endpoints. The two endpoints bases are equal and on joined, and there are two triangles. The two triangles joined in center with in the center, and the two triangles, the chords of triangles are equal and the base also equal.
Shapes like square, rectangle, kite, triangle, diamond, and much more. First of all, square has 4 equal sides. Rectangle have one rectangle, have equal sides, and one equal sides. Kite have 2 small and 3 equal sides.
With the full explanation and full working model, by explaining we have
Material with cardboard, color paper, and glue gum and pencil.
The all items are divided with the total of item observations. Namaskaram, sir. My name is Anika. I am from 8th standard. We prepared the class for the line graph and graphical That's why it's our
Namaskaram, my name is Vibhav. I am from Takshila English Medium High School. On the occasion of C.V. Raman birthday, today in our school we have celebrating the Maths Expo. In our Maths Expo, we have done a lot of projects by using our Maths chapters, and we have introduced how to learn the methods by fun, and we have made more excellent and working models about math chapters like algebraic expressions and unlike fractions and like fractions and improper fractions and proper fractions. Such as we have done a lot of working models. Thank you.